Hey, I didn't see you. Look what just flying by on my house right now. Freaking packaged it. So today's video, I have my own goals on here. Well, let me show you around on here. Wait a second. So as you guys know, this is my own setup on here. I've ever made like a 2 or 3 of the video, pretty much like building my freaking PC or something like that. Yeah, this is my freaking like a YouTube setup right now, right? What is this? It says Nicky Santano on Instagram. Go follow him. I have no clue why I did that, but you know what? Let's just move on. So this thing, dude, is an LED strip on here. And also, this cost me only for $4 only. So yeah, I'm gonna go and pretty much like making my freaking setup beautiful again with my freaking low and medium budget on here. But beforehand on here, dude, let me do a freaking unboxing real quick. Well, I got myself a freaking trusty pocket knife on here. If I'm being honest to you, dude, I'm so freaking excited for this package because you know what, LED strip on here only cost me like around $4 only. And also yeah, let's see how cool the LED strip is. Let me open this up with my freaking like a hook pour on here. Ooh, there we go. Package is so freaking sturdy. What's a crap, dude? But I think whenever you got yourself a sturdy package, that's a good sign, right? Okay, there we go. So yeah, this is a freaking LED strip thingy on here. It looks not much on here, but trust me, it is like a little thingy right here. We're gonna be shining my freaking light on here. Let's go and actually unboxing through here. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking sturdy package. Right now, the package has been opened on here, and let's go and see on the freaking like LED strip. So yeah, this is the LED strip on here. It has a height of 50 centimeters only, and also this will go in with the freaking like a USB, as you guys know on here. And yeah, if I'm being honest with you, it looks good enough. Like, wait a second, let me power this up for a minute on here. Oh, look at this. I didn't pretty much like setting this up for a minute, but you know what? It looks freaking so sexy, dude. Just look at me on here with my LED strip on here. As you guys know, the LED strip is pretty much like working so perfectly. And yeah, right now I need to pull out my freaking setup and probably gonna like unplugging lots of stuff on here. But you know what? It will gonna be worth it, dude. I'm sure you guys. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I had to actually pulling all of the freaking equipment that I have. I'm a hook. Don't worry about me. And as you guys see, my freaking equipment has been cool. Oh my god, can we actually serious? Look how much my freaking workspace is right now. It's big as my hand. What's a crap, dude? Oh well, there's no work. It's pretty much done without any sacrifice. Look at this, it. And I'm just successfully pretty much like accessing all of my freaking like a bag thing on here. And if I'm being honest with you, my cable management is actually cool as hell. Look at this, dude. Look how cool my freaking cable management. So I think I need to pretty much like go with this one and that thingy, thing. Is it gonna work right? Oh. Look at that, dude. I think what I'm gonna do, dude, I think I'm gonna go and actually like buy one again and actually like extend this freaking thingy into that one on here. I think this is enough for now. Let's go and actually like unpeel off the thingy on here, and let's go and actually like sticking this thing into here. And I think right now the LED is pretty much good. I think I need to pretty much like extend to here. I think I need to pretty much like buy one of the freaking thingy on here. That sucks, but you know what? Let's go and actually like do what's left on here. So yeah, let's go. Let me take you on here. Oh my goodness, I'm so freaking tired, like seriously. And I need to push all of my stuff to there. So yeah, let's go and actually like do that. Oh my goodness, I'm so... So the LED is not looks much because you know what, it's on the afternoon, go figure. As you guys know, you got yourself a freaking like a blue color on there. If you want to go with the red, then there's a freaking remote on here. You need to choose with the red on here. Wait, what? Well, you know what, there's a freaking like a seal on here. So if I pretty much like remove the seal and going with the red, oh, it works. If you want to go to the green on here, oh my god. If you got yourself a freaking club to you, if you want to go with the flash, just go with the flash like this one, and there we go. You are now a freaking party popper. So yeah, the LED strip is pretty much worth it so much. I think I will pretty much like buy one more again, and also yeah, pretty much like extend the freaking LED strip to here. And also yeah, if I'm being honest with you, LED strip is so freaking cheap, and also it's so freaking worth it as well. And also as you guys know, I bought this freaking like a part on here for only $5, and also it has 7 parts, and also all of the freaking parts on here is actually 3.0 parts. I mean like seriously, it's so freaking cheap. If you want to make your setup more beautiful for a freaking cheap price, then I think the freaking like a LED strip on here is the way to go, like seriously. And yeah, I think that's about it for the freaking video. If you did pretty much like enjoy this freaking video, make sure to hit the like button below, and also yeah, I will see this in the next video, and bye bye.